Morning, we've got another United controversy.
This time, a passenger says that his flight was canceled, his trip, because he was recording a confrontation with the worker. Take a look.
I want to know why.
Cancel the reservation.
I want to know why.
Because you did not have my permission.
Because I'm videotaping you
That's
guys
correct.
not accepting my bag that's oversized that I brought here.
I don't know the situation. I know that you're videotaping and this is not acceptable.
Do you know why I'm videotaping you? Because you guys have terrible customer service.
I need you to either A...
All right, so can you videotape? The guy posted the exchange on Twitter. He says he faced having to pay extra for his luggage. He says he talked to the agent about it. He says that he was actually fine with paying the extra fee. He just wanted to pay the fee that he paid the first time, which is $125, and she wanted to charge him $300. So when that person didn't help him, he said he pulled out his phone and started to record. And as you can see there, then the agent canceled his reservation because she said he did not have permission to record her. United says that they are now looking into the incident. So I guess the question here is, because we've seen this before, there was a kid last week who held up his phone. He was trying to record a confrontation with someone who was working at the airport. She knocked the phone out of his hand right to the ground. What are your rights? Do you have the right to record?
Attorney Whitney Boan is joining us now with more on that. Before you answer, here's my guess. Okay? Public place, you can be recorded, expect to be recorded. And it's not I'm recording you, but you don't know I'm recording you. You know I'm recording you, so I think he's in the clear. What do you say?
Bob, you win. That's the correct answer. Yes. When you're in a public place, you have no expectation of privacy to not have somebody record you. So in this situation, this is consistent with what we've seen a lot in terms of people starting to make more videos of their interactions with airlines employees. This passenger was 100% within his right. The United Airlines employee was not within her right, however, to cancel his flight as a result of her not liking him making the recording. She has no right of privacy.
Okay, so it seems like there's some confusion. It seems as if the airline should be telling their workers, if somebody pulls out their cell phone and starts recording you, there's nothing you can do about it. Why do we keep seeing these incidents happening over and over again?
Well, Amy, you know, it's interesting. When this first started happening with police officers, you may recall, there was a big resurgence of cases coming up where police officers were arresting people for recording them or taking people's phones away for recording them when they were in a public place. And you've seen that slow down some now because it's just kind of evolved over time that police have been trained not to arrest people for videotaping them. So I think that that's going to likely start happening with airline employees. Should it have already happened? Yes. Was this woman within her right? No. Can United Airlines afford to have more PR scandals like this? Probably not. And I imagine there'll be some repercussions from it because she canceled his flight wrongfully. He had the right to do what he did.
So what does he get for this? I mean, what can you sue for? I mean, you know, money or what?
You could, yes, you could sue for money. You could sue for the loss of the ticket price, but also I'm sure he would try to sue for the inconvenience related to this. As you could probably also guess, Bob, because you're good at this, it would likely settle out of court. So it's unlikely, in my opinion, that it would actually end up in court with a judgment from a jury, although that's possible. It's more likely, I believe, that United will make an attempt to compensate this passenger for his inconvenience in his time.
Maybe a couple of days of extra customer training for that employee there, you know?
Maybe.
It's just such a double-edged sword because what it does is you whip the phone out and you start recording. It exasperates the situation, but it also protects you because you can say, this is really what happened.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And in this situation specifically, too, how does he know that she's not trying to keep that extra money? So I don't blame him for recording.
Whitney Boan, always great to see you.
Thanks
so much. Thanks for coming in. All right, coming up on Good